In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a video to your Odoo website step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. This is perfect if you want to showcase a product demo, an intro video, or any marketing content directly on your Odoo website. I'll walk you through everything from logging into Odoo to embedding the video on your page. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Odoo and software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Odoo, or simply go to odoo.com. Once the website loads, click on the Start Now button. Odoo offers a free trial, which is perfect for testing and learning. On the next screen, you'll be asked to choose the apps you want. From here, click on Website, since that's what we'll be working with today. After selecting Website, click Continue to move forward. Now Odoo will ask you for some basic information about your website. Type in the required details, such as your company name or website name. Once that's done, you'll see an option to either choose a theme or skip the setup. To keep things simple, click on Skip and start from scratch. This will take you directly to your new Odoo website dashboard. When your website loads, you'll be viewing it in normal mode. To make changes, look at the top of the page and click on the Edit button. This switches your website into edit mode, where you can add and customize content visually without writing any code. Now comes the important part, adding a video to your Odoo website. On the left-hand side, you'll see the building blocks panel. Scroll through the list of blocks until you find the section called Media. Inside Media, you'll see a video block. Click and drag the video block onto the page where you want the video to appear. You can place it in a new section or inside an existing one. Once the video block is added, click on it to open a video settings. Here, Odoo will ask you for a video URL. You can paste a YouTube link, a Vimeo link, or even a direct video file URL if you have one hosted online. Paste your video link into the field and Odoo will automatically embed the video for you. After the video appears, you can customize it further. You can adjust the alignment, resize the video, add spacing, or place text above or below it. If you click on the Customize or Style options, you can fine-tune how the video looks on desktop and mobile devices. Make sure to preview your page to confirm the video plays correctly and looks good. Once you're happy with the placement and appearance of your video, click Save at the top of the page. This publishes your changes and makes the video live on your Odoo website. You can always come back and edit or replace the video later if needed. And that's it. You've successfully added a video to your Odoo website using the built-in website editor. This is a great way to make your site more engaging and professional. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.